Well, this is the cross-country Mino bucket buggy.
This right here too.
Oh yeah? I used to bring my son down here. You know, we used to go down there when you could drive down the railroad tracks.
Oh yeah.
That was probably 30, 40 years ago. Steve got number one. There's a jet-powered kayak. Got a big one. I got a snag.
No, he didn't.
Steve got a keeper, number one. Steve's number two is a runt. Number one for me. Almost a keeper. Yeah, extra large runt. Number three, Steve? Steve's number four.
Go in between them.
Number three, extra large runt. There's Cohen's snake. Number four is a white bass. Nope, didn't swallow the hook, Steve. Number five. I didn't get to film Steve's number five. We're tied at 5 up. Number 6, keeper. This one here, I got Steve on. Number 6, Steve. Pretty active.